Alright guys, what's up guys? This is Adrian Amaral. This is a quick video on how to remove the back glass on the Galaxy series phones, like this one right here. A lot of people are scared because, like me, I used to break it all the time. So I figured out a perfect way to remove it without breaking it. You're gonna need one of these little blades here, with box cutters, and one of these 40mm guitar picks. You can find these on eBay, and a lot of people use thicker ones or thinner ones, and those don't seem to work out too well. This is the best mix so you don't break the back glass on your Galaxy series phones. You also need a heat gun right here, one of these. Some people like to use one of those heat plates. Those are like $300-400 bucks, but you can get this for $20 at Harbor Freight, and it works just perfect. And also you might need to get one of these anti-static or heat resistant gloves, because you will burn your hand if you don't use this. Okay, so let's start off by warming up the phone. Just enough. You never want to leave it in one spot. You always want to distribute the heat all over the phone like this. I usually do about, let's say, like 30 seconds. Right now I'm at like 15 seconds. My internal clock is counting for me. Okay, once you reach that 30 seconds, you want to go ahead and heat up the bottom. This is where I always start through right here. I start picking at the bottom here. So I want to get that extra hot. Again, dispersing the heat a little bit, then focusing on the bottom a little bit more, then dispersing the heat a little bit, and focus on the bottom finally. And then we go in for the kill. So I always just flip it around like this. I start with the blade. I pick it just enough. Just enough so I can insert the plastic tool. There you go. I got the plastic tool in. Remove the blade. Now you can go around carefully. Because trust me, if you use the blade, that thing will snap in a heartbeat, the glass. So here we go. We're winning right now. It's already progress. Now, these back glasses are painted with, you see the silver paint on this? It's like a silver film. Sometimes it's old that even just moving this little plastic pick around will scrape it, and then you'll get a scrape on it, or some actually peel all the way, so it looks kind of ugly, but you can't really do much in those situations. Okay, so now that we got most of it out, you want to get a plastic spudger. It looks like this, and you can kind of hit it from here. Now remember, you have a fingerprint sensor, so be careful with that. And also, when you're heating up the back, try not to focus the heat gun on these components, because this camera lens will warp. It'll melt, you know, and the flash too. So just be real careful with that. So I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more. Alright, luckily I'm not wearing the shirt that has a hole in the armpit, because you can see it there. So let's go ahead and go around with the pick. As I was heating it, I was holding it open with my fingers here, so let's go around and get rid of that adhesive that's holding the back glass. And there you go. Now you can pick at that fingerprint sensor through here with the plastic spudger, never metal, because you can burn some stuff. There you go. Just like that, and that's how you remove the back glass without breaking it. The easiest way. This could be done in literally 30 seconds. But for the sake of the video, I had to explain, so it took me what, like 2 minutes? If you guys have any questions or any comments, or if you want to join the course, you know where to reach me at. It's contact@911gadgets.com. Thanks for watching.